Capitalism is not markets. Societies always had markets. The true nature of capitalism, which is not the competitive capitalism that Adam Smith had imagined of the baker, the brewer, and the butcher. No. Here you have monopoly capitalism. Have you heard of companies like BlackRock, State Street, Fidelity? They own 90% of the corporations that feature in the Standard & Poor's 500 in the United States. From airlines to JP Morgan to Google. Two guys, they control 90% of capitalism. What is the connection between this and Adam Smith? Zero.